Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. So we are back out here in Independence. This was a job we got started about a week ago. Originally, it was supposed to be a block foundation renovation job. So essentially it's like one of our stone foundation renovations, except with it being a block wall. We have to attach the wire mesh to it first and then apply the concrete mortar. That's going to allow it to adhere to the block walls. So we've already got one completely mortared right here. So we got another 3 walls that we're going to be getting the mesh attached to later today. And then we're also going to do this little section of the cinder block up here. This job ended up becoming a little bit more when we pulled off the wood paneling that was covering these walls. So originally, we pulled off the wood paneling. The existing cinder block was so damaged, there's no way to renovate that. It's not going to repair what is visibly 2 damaged cinder block walls. So Saturday, we started pulling out the first cinder block wall on the front side of this house. We've got all the cinder blocks stacked here. So you can see, however they built this, there's just a ton of dirt between the outer cinder block wall, and this one is leaning inward. Again, just the same. I don't know how well it's coming across in the video, but there is a visible dip right here in the middle. I mean, you can see daylight right there. So we're going to have to do a whole lot of cleanup on this. This is going to turn into a complete cinder block rebuild. So we're likely going to have to, after we clean up a lot of this dirt out of the way, we're going to have to finish pulling out the damaged cinder block here on this first wall, and then try to get this outer one back to where it needs to be, because as of right now it's not supporting anything. We're gonna have to do some digging on the outside to try to tackle it from that end, as well as the inside, and completely rebuild likely 2 walls now instead of just 1. So a lot of extra work that is going on in this project, unfortunately, because the people that sold the house wanted to just cover up the obvious failed cinder block walls with some wood paneling. So this is a good lesson for anyone that is looking at a house. You know, make sure you are as thorough as you possibly can in taking a look at everything foundation-wise, because this has really changed what our project is, and that's because it was all hidden from the current homeowners. So, but we're gonna make this right. We're not going to just renovate this with the wire mesh and the mortar. We want to make sure the foundation walls are solid. They're vertical, structurally sound. So we're gonna do our very best to get this back looking right like it needs to. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.